Hi everyone, my name is Erica with L&L 3D Solutions, and in this tutorial video series, we'll be showing the process of starting a print using Klipper in the Mainsail web interface, from calibration to printing. Let's get started. Starting with a cold bed and without the probe, and from the Mainsail dashboard page, we're going to home all movement axes. We're going to be registering the minimum Z position, where the bed is in relation to the tool head. So start by raising the Z height so that the tool head is above the bed about 25 millimeters. Then we're going to move the X and the Y axes so that the tool head is in the middle of the bed. Now we're going to enter the following command into the console: Z_endstop_calibrate. It will then show a pop-up box that looks like this. The center value indicates the current Z position of the nozzle. Now we will run a paper test, and we'll want to slowly lower the nozzle until we have a bit of friction between the nozzle and the print bed. The friction amount should offer resistance when pulling the paper away, but not be tight enough to tear the paper. You can also use a thickness gauge of 0.10 millimeters if that's your preference. Once we're happy with our results, we can click Accept, and it will restart the printer. If you do not get an option to restart the firmware, we can enter the command save_config into the console. Now that we've calibrated our end stop position, we can calibrate our nozzle's Z offset. This offset is the relative Z position of our probe to the tip of the nozzle. To start, we're going to make sure the probe is installed, and once again we're going to home all movement axes. Then again we'll move the Z height up so that the tool head is above the bed, about 25 millimeters. Then moving the X and Y axes, we'll move the tool head to a similar position that we used for calibrating our end stop position. Running our nozzle Z offset in Mainsail is a similar process to our end stop calibration. From our console, we can enter the command probe_calibrate. Once our probe has run, we can then remove the probe and run a paper test again, slowly lowering the nozzle until we have a bit of friction. From here we can click Accept, and our unit will restart.